Hey guys, it's John Broussard. Hope everybody's having a good day. Today we're going to be talking about rubbing compound and rubbing polish. So if you want to really get your vehicle shining and all that liquid shine and all that, that's good. And I use it too, like Lucas and other stuff. But a rubbing compound is going to rub a layer off of that clear coat so it makes it shiny again. So if you're bought on a budget and you ain't got no money and you want to make your vehicle a little cleaner and look newer, use rubbing compound. I'll show you how. So there's your rubbing compound. This is going to be the first one. It has like a grit in there, and that's what's going to cut that surface off and make it shiny again. Cut that clear coat down. Clear coat your protection. And this will be the polish compound after that'll polish any of the swirl marks, anything like that the compound cuts down too deep or you're rubbing too long. You'll have some of these pads. Get a couple of these pads. You don't have to have them, but it's nice. Or get you a machine if you want to do it that way. Machine's going to be a little bit easier, but you can do it by hand. Just do it in sections. Get you a couple towels. Now wash your vehicle. Now what we did, because if it's real hot and you're doing it in the summertime like we are right now, get it under the shade, get it out of the sun. You want to make sure the surface is clean. Clean and cool. Because if you're out in the sun and putting that compound on there and that metal's collecting that heat, it's going to dry it real quick. It's not going to stay moist. But if it dries, you can still wipe it off. It ain't going to peel your paint off or anything like that. Now, the summertime, we picked sections, and we went around the vehicle. So we did this 3 times. We did a section, front, went sides, and then we did the back and around. Now we're doing this side right here and the top of the roof, and then we're done. So we're just beating the heat. It is a little harder to rub the compound and all that on because you're doing it manually and but the end result is going to be nice. You're going to have a good, clean surface. You take your hand after you do it and you feel it, man. It's good and clean and smooth paint. And then you're going to have repellent and the bugs are not going to stick on it as much. I try to at least do it once a year. I know some of you other guys and ladies and stuff, y'all do it more, but let's get to it. Get you a dab of this rubbing compound on there and then start getting with it. I'll put a little bit on here. And I can dab off of it, and I'm gonna do everything. Do your lights on your truck. Do your mirrors and all that. That'll take all them bugs off and clear that surface. I even do my mirror with it. Gets all that rain, refreshes that mirror back up again because that grit in there, that rubbing compound. And then if we're rubbing the truck. Now I'll go ahead and start rubbing it. And I just do it that way. Some people do it this way, and that's fine if you want. I just rub it back and forth. And it'll go a long ways. And then if you want to do another time, go back over it again and do it. It ain't going to hurt it. You're not going to go through the paint. It's not that aggressive. And do your chrome. Your dip chrome, whatever chrome. Now I've already done this fender right here and all that, and I've done up to there, right there. Watch this mirror right here. Just this rubbing compound. There's no polish on it or nothing. And that's just rubbing compound. Look at that. That's a mirror off of or a mirror off of a mirror. Not a mirror off a mirror, but mirror off of chrome. Look at that. That's all chrome reflection. Anyway, I'll go to the next section and I'll do my fenders. And you're going to do the polish the same way, but you're going to put your rubbing compound on first. Rub that out. Look how shiny that looks. Come over here. I'll do the whole truck same way. So this truck here I've had for around, this is a 2011 GMC. I got a leveling kit on there, did some things and stuff, but you know how times are right now and how expensive things are, and vehicles are way overpriced. Everything's way overpriced. And I'm just not going to go out there and go buy another vehicle. I'm taking care of this one right now as best I can. And I got 130,000 miles on it, and I've done all the maintenance on it, kept up with it, transmission fluid, rear ends, and stuff. But sorry about that. But I'm just trying to take care of my vehicle. Now I've clayed this one before, and clay bars work good. That's a neat thing to do to maintenance. But a good rubbing compound after this is the first time it's had it. It's had wax jobs and all that on there and stuff, but I can feel the surface really well. It feels really good, good and clean, and I've got down to the point where I'm happy with it. Now you can keep applying rubbing compounding to it, and I could get better and better with it, but we're fixing to take a trip. And I try to put at least a coat of wax every year to maintain my vehicle, to keep up with it. If you don't, you're going to have problems. You know how that all, maintenance is important. But, and like I said, this is next. And I'm not getting paid for none of this stuff, but polished compound. And you'll apply this the same way that you'll apply the rubbing compound on there, and you're going to have a beautiful vehicle, and you're going to be proud of it, and you'll be good for the year. Bugs and all that get on here. Like I said, guys, don't forget to do your bumpers. This will do bumpers with it. It'll do headlights. It'll shine them up, knock some of that dust off. That rubbing compound will bust that grit down on these lights. Not 100%, but it'll make them better. Anyway, y'all like and subscribe if y'all want, and share. But y'all have a good day, and we'll talk to y'all later and see y'all in the next one.